Welcome to school too.
Up here, you got me wanting more. My African girl with that sweet body wine. You wear you cry, got me feeling alright. My African girl with that big booty wine.
Are you going my way?
Yeah, I'm actually going towards this direction, but we can't see bikes.
Where is that? Where is that?
I'm going towards this area.
Oh, you mean Kalakuta area?
Yeah.
Oh, just come here. Let me give you a lift. Let me drop you.
Right.
I'm actually going to that way.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me help you with the bag, okay?
All right.
Let me help you. Come on. Baby.
Yeah, see that. She a wine for the coke. She a party non-stop. She a take it slow, wine I'm slow. Baby, let's go. Okay. She a wine for the coke. And she a party non-stop. She a fi take it slow, wine I'm slow. Baby, let's go. So open and close. Open and close. Open and
Look sweet. You look beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. I like your hair.
What?
Oh, okay, let's go. You said you're going to Kalakuta area. All right, I will take you there. So you give me your number, we'll go and hang out and
Tell her come along, Pelu Titi. I'm a lomo, Louis Titi. Me, I get too much of this.
Officer!
Anderson!
Sorry, sir.
Are you stupid? Yahoo boy!
How can I be rude to officers? Am I a Yahoo boy? I'm not a Yahoo boy.
Open your boot. That's how you people used to behave.
Yahoo boy, and you're playing music like this, disturbing the food society. I'm promising you that I'll make sure I don't know Yahoo boy in this area.
Officer, this is the boot. There's nothing there.
What's inside this bag?
Which one?
Bring it down.
It's our bag. There's nothing.
Okay, it's your bag. Yahoo boys. Yahoo boys.
Yeah, maybe open it. Maybe there is money.
There's nothing there. There's nothing. It's only clothes. Look at it. There's nothing there.
Remove it. Is there money inside there?
There's nothing.
What? Kroger? Jesus!
Hey!
Okay.
What is that?
Okay.
Hey! It's not just a Yahoo boy, it's a druggist.
What is that? Huh?
So you're Yahoo boy.
What is that?
You're a druggist. So you're doing drugs.
It's not my bag, oh. It's not my bag. It's not my bag.
You're a Yahoo boy. This is coke.
It's not my bag, oh. It's not my bag. It's my... The guy is...
Yes, again.
Where is the girl now?
Are you Jesus?
Where is the girl? I left the girl here.
Don't let me use this law.
I left the girl here. Officer, please. I don't know anything. Officer, please.
It's your girl Zini, and this is Kutu Comedy. Please don't forget to share our videos on all your social media platforms and keep watching Kutu. We love you.